In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Microsoft Edge. If a page ever feels too close or cramped, zooming out is a quick way to see more content at once without changing your display settings. We'll keep this simple and cover several reliable ways to do it so you can pick the one that fits how you browse. First, open Microsoft Edge. Make sure the browser window is active on your screen so any shortcuts you use apply to the page you're viewing. You'll notice that Edge shows zoom as a percentage, with 100% being the default. As you zoom out, that number drops and the content gets smaller, letting more of the page fit on your screen. One of the fastest methods is the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the minus key together. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key. Each press steps the zoom down in clear, predictable increments of 25%. For example, you might go from 125% to 100%, then to 75%. Tap a few times until the page feels comfortable. This method is great when you want a precise, repeatable result without touching the mouse. If you prefer using the mouse, hold the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel down. You'll see the page shrink smoothly as you scroll, and the zoom percentage will update as you go. This is especially handy when you want quick adjustments while keeping your hand on the mouse. Keep your pointer over the page while you scroll so the zoom applies exactly where you expect. On a laptop touchpad, you can also use a pinch gesture. Place 2 fingers on the touchpad and move them closer together to zoom out. This feels natural and works well for small, visual tweaks to size. If the gesture feels too sensitive or not sensitive enough, you can fine-tune touchpad settings in your system preferences later. For now, just pinch inward until the page looks right. Finally, if you want an on-screen control, use the menu. Click the Settings and More icon, the 3 dots in the top right corner of Edge. In the menu, look for the Zoom section. You'll see a percentage readout with plus and minus buttons. Click the minus button to zoom out and watch the percentage drop. This method is perfect if you like a visible control or want to confirm your exact zoom level at a glance. That's it. Whether you use the keyboard, mouse, touchpad, or the menu, you now have multiple ways to zoom out in Microsoft Edge quickly and confidently.